The Lumark Prevail LED area sight luminaire combines innovative optics, superior controls, and energy efficiency in a cost-effective solution for your retrofit or new installations in parking lots, walkways, building area, and roadway applications. With our simple and versatile solution, now you can make the smart switch to cost-saving LED lights without the worry and expense of installation. Prevail's patent-pending versatile mounting arm is innovative technology in both form and function and gets you install-ready right out of the box. With the ability to accommodate multiple drill patterns and square and round poles, the versatile mounting arm is the answer for both retrofit and new applications. An easily accessible wiring compartment in the versatile mounting arm keeps the installer from having to access the fixture driver compartment, which means a safer and more secure installation. For your convenience, there are 2 additional mounting options available: mast arm for roadway applications and a wall mount arm for building mount applications. With a low-profile modern design, the Prevail fixture accommodates 3 lumen packages in one housing for a cost-effective solution that also ensures consistency in appearance no matter where it's mounted. Lumark Prevail LED luminaire replaces 150, 250, and 400-watt HID fixtures, reducing energy usage that will translate to a savings you'll notice immediately. And to further enhance energy savings, Prevail takes control of code compliance by offering customizable integrated control systems that meet even the strictest code requirements. Prevail over time and expense. The Lumark Prevail LED area sight luminaire redefines efficiency as a versatile solution that saves you both time and money. Superior LED performance and energy savings. Impressive aesthetics, affordable, competitive pricing, quick and easy new or retrofit installation. Lumark Prevail LED area sight luminaire is the answer. Prevailing innovation, remarkable savings,